I know my heart is a ghost town.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Hadjuk Legend, and I want to thank you, Amr, for this collaboration. Without any further ado, let's get started. Today, as you can see, I want to show you how to make a mascot for your channel or for anything. First thing you need to do is to draw your mascot on piece of paper. Then you need to photo it with your phone or camera. I don't know what did you use, but then you need to import in program called Inker, where you need to use these shapes and things to make your mascot. Here we will design just black shapes for it. Then we will move to the PS Touch. Here, to import image, you need to go on that icon on left. You will see it right now, and you can see import image, and then you can export PNG later. Moving to the PS Touch, this is the final result of the mascot, and you will see now how and what to do next. Maybe this video will be too long, but I don't know, we will see. Whole process of mascot logo making is very long. You need to spend a lot of time and do a lot of things to achieve something good and something big. As you can see, I speeded up this video, and it's I think 2 times I speeded up, and it's go fast. One thing that I don't understand how it happens is the teeth of the dragon. You see some parts are different than one part in the front, but it's good. Here you can see that how I'm making the color of mascot using some tools to make it better look, and if you make some mistakes, just go on eraser tool and erase it. I think the best color for this mascot is red. Dragons are, I like red, and I put dragon in red. But when you're making this, you need to be extreme carefully, because if you do something you can't back up. You will need to make everything again, everything all you need to repeat. Using Inker, tutorials on Inker will be in the description. Link will be. For some of you, Inker will be hard to use because it's always hard. You can easily make mascots on your PC, but if you don't have PC, or your PC can't, I don't know how to say it, you can't install Photoshop, then you can do it on mobile. I think Inker supports Android devices more than 5.0 Android. I don't know exactly, but I had mobile phone Android 4.3, and Inker, I wasn't able to install Inker there. So I will leave you now, and I will talk later with you. And after you finish coloring, mascot, you should go for shadows. You will be able to see how to do shadows right now. You can make big mistakes here, but you can back with the back button and try it again. You will need to practice here, and this is hard to do without the stylus. I'm using Note 5 and I have stylus, and it's easy for me to do. Here, when you're making mascots on shadows, you need to put black color and set opacity about from 25% to 8 to 40%. As you can maybe you saw some other mascot there. I was inspired by that mascot to make this tutorial and how, but I did a little bit different dragon. How I draw it, that's a better question. You have so many sites on Google where you can see step by step making or drawing some things, so you can make with that or draw drag. That's how I did it. Link will be in the description. First link. Then, if you want to do highlight, if it's doing, you can do it with brush tool, but you need to use white color, as you can see, and you get highlight. That's what all mascots have. There are some pretty cool things you can do about it. Here I did a big mistake. After this I exited, but I didn't save this, and I need to do a whole process again. That's why mascot will look different in the other part of the week. So here, as I said, you can see how I am doing that highlight. That's it. Now we just need to focus on text after highlight. You see how I'm seeing that mascot for this mascot. Now later I fixed some parts. I don't know which parts, but I fixed these parts. What I'm doing right now, I fixed some of them. And here, if you can see, I fixed some parts and the mascot is looking better. Now we just need to add text. Text is not hard to do, just make it in a pixel lab and import here. But you need to use warp tool to make it look nicer. You can see how I'm doing. But I don't know if on my device, if I use this tool too much on just one project, it keeps crashing. PS Touch keeps crashing. I don't know why, but I tried to find anything on YouTube, but nothing. As you can see, it fits good. Here you can add some gradient if you want, but I didn't add anything. Just save it if you make any mistake. I tried to add some gradients, but it didn't look cool, so I didn't do it. Now I just save it again. Then I made some black background so I can make this mascot better, putting a stroke later. You will see now you can do in two ways, like this if you like it, and if you don't like it, you can do it with stroke. You will see right now. Here it is. There will appear some other parts, but you just need to erase them with eraser tool and set this stroke layer behind the layer of the mascot, and it will look nice. As you can see, now I'm fixing that part with eraser tool. How should I say it? I don't know. You see how it looks. And that's all for this tutorial, guys. I want to thank Summer again, and see ya on my channel.